Okay, just wing it. Hi, my name is Riley, and today we will be answering my most popular questions about the BS in biology at SU. So let's get started. What is your favorite lab you've done? So I would say my favorite lab that I've done is actually recently in neurobiology, and that would be actually being able to dissect a rat and take out the brain from the actual rat, and then slicing the brain, and also then staining the brain, then producing some pretty high quality images of neurons and brain structures, and seeing that from the start to beginning was a really cool experience. Now, next question is, what is the coolest experience you've done outside of the classroom? I think the favorite experience I've had outside of traditional lectures and labs is actually being to participate in research within the Guckus lab here in SU. With that, we have been looking at this bacterial toxin and how it interacts with bacterial symbiosis. And I think that's a really cool experience because it's using your knowledge from lecture and interested in cool ways to apply your knowledge and actually be able to go towards presented into at research conferences and also push towards publications that actually contribute to the scientific community at large. All right, for our next question, what's your favorite part of the BS in biology? I think my favorite part about the biology here at Salisbury is actually being able to talk to each faculty member individually, and I think that it increases the level of academic growth you can get and also your personal experiences with communicating your ideas to other individuals. And I think that's really beneficial here. For the next question, why did you choose the BS in biology at SU? So I've always been a local at Salisbury. I've been living here my whole life, and so I've always knew that Salisbury has a good biology program, and also knew about the benefit of having small class sizes. And so I chose it here at SU because, for one, love biology. I love learning how systems work together and how I can see differences in body structures, and also learn about ecology and also diverse parts of biology, since it's a very broad major, and also being able to learn biology through small classes and seeing personal interactions and get closer with my peers and help each other grow. And for the final question, what's next for me after SU? So after SU, I plan to apply to med school and try to pursue a doctorate degree in medicine and try to help my community grow through medicine. So again, my name is Riley, and thanks for listening to my answer to some of the most popular questions about the bachelor's in science and biology.